Hey, what's up YouTube? Just doing a quick unboxing of the Reate JACK 1.5 in Mokuti from cranecuttery.com. Alright, kind of cool. Gave you a sticker and microfiber cloth. I'm going to put this aside. There it goes. Looks nice. Reate knives. And yes, it is made in China. Some plastic packaging. Let's see what's over here. Well, some microfiber cloth in a bag, patch, and here's the star. Nice little bag. Whoop, I'm sorry, there is some spare parts. This is in Mokuti, and it is integral, so one piece with Mokuti inlays. This looks really nice. This is 7 out of 24. It has a Mokuti clip, which is nice. Not deep carry, but deep enough for me. Oof. Look at that. Satin belt finish. M398 blade steel with a zirconium pivot. Yeah, this feels really nice. Sorry, the light reflect. It's not like it's too bright. It's not giving you a good image of the Mokuti, but this is really nice. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's smooth. It's very smooth. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be really using this. I'll carry it probably, but I probably won't put it through any hard use. It's really nice. Has a lanyard hold right back there. Some texturing on the back. Jimping on the flipper tab. And it's smooth when you flip it. Control right there. Man, this is really nice. Oh, there's definitely a lot of milling inside. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get it in the light. Nah, sorry, can't see it, but there's a lot of milling inside on this side, not the lock bar side. And it does have a liner lock because it has an inlay, which is nice. It has a steel insert. That's the pivot. Yeah, that's really nice. All right, thanks for watching and have a nice day, and I'll catch you on the next one.